Welcome to my video. My name is Ronny Alfonso and the product owner and mentor of BreazeHome 4.0 is Dr. Masoud Sadjadi. Welcome to my install and maintenance video for account recovery features. Since the section covered 3 repos of the project, the backend, the front end, and the mobile, it's advisable to work with the already set up virtual machine. The virtual machine has the 3 environments installed and ready to go. To install the VM, you need to go to VirtualBox org, and in the download page, select the version according to your host system. In my case, it's Windows. After installing VirtualBox, you need to download the appliance that has all the settings. For this, you need to go to BreazeHome Wiki. In the contribution section, click on the Begin Contributing, set up development environment, and then virtual machine tutorial. In this page, you have all the information needed to start your VM and your coding. Click on the 2.0 latest virtual machine link and it will take you to the download page. Click on the button and then on the download anyway link, and it will start downloading. The process will take several minutes since it is a large file. I'm going to fast forward, and once the download finishes, you will need to import the appliance to the VM. To do that, we need to open the VirtualBox, click on the file, and then import appliances. Browse to find the file you just downloaded. Click Open and then Import. This will create a snapshot of the machine that you will be working with, and will take a couple of minutes to finalize. After finishing, double-click the snapshot and the VM will open, and enter the password shown in the wiki page that we just downloaded the image. We already have everything prepared to start coding. Just click on the Files application and open the Breeze folder. You can see that in this folder we have the 3 versions. To start running, we need to run the backend first. So open a terminal inside this folder and run the following. The first command will activate the environment for Python and Django, and the second one will run the actual server. If you open this link, it will open the API interface. Now let's jump to the desktop and run this command that will run the server for our desktop front end. And finally, let's open the mobile environment in a similar way. To code, use the code editor that better suits your needs. That's all. Thank you for watching.